Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation has expressed concern on the attempt to arrest their leaders by Manipur police yesterday. Speaking to media persons in this regard at Wangkai Kuno, convener of JFD, Jitendra Ningomba said, people have supported the 48-hour general strike, which was called in demand of NRC before census. But the attempt to arrest the leaders of JFD by Manipur police last night was unfortunate, as this movement is for the sake of Manipur's future. Jitendra Ningomba said Manipur police could have sent a summon, but the attempt to arrest the leaders of JFD has created a wrong impression against JFD. While drawing the attention of Home Minister, Jitendra Ningomba asserted that the movement and agitation will continue until NRC is updated before census in Manipur.
Ngasigi miro sina aikoi kanbang am haudragadi aikoi gi tungda haurakadroiba aikoi gi sai singda karam makhal gi khudol piram kanda aikoi na lailai bakta harauna nuaina leigadono haibaso khanbire haraga manipur da leiriba miyamna hausi sangthileba khongjang se hanbanaidana aikoi na phang pa me baba aikoi gi panthung se fangnana bogidam da sangsin minasi aduna hairiba khongjang si sangsin na bam sangsin mamatamda aikoi masel gi marakta nuaina taba ngangna ba khotpa kargum yaurkusu aikoi heda kokthongna si sangchilib khongjang se tungi mirul gi damuktani ngasi khon pamliba no NRC no census sini amna maru se e karigomba NRC se tawdaba taragadi census to hanba yaro e basida khoi lepsi karigomba census to khiba taragadi delimitation tawgini delimitation to khiba taragadi aikoi na piram godoriba tungi isa su surol gi khudol ududi ki ba phangna ba khudol mani